Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video on my channel. My name is Dan for Crypto, and thank you once again for tuning into this amazing video. Guys, today is a very exciting video because today we will be talking about the price action of BasketCoin and why I think this project is very exciting and is going to probably give us very good returns. So guys, without any further ado, make sure to right away smash up that like button. Make sure to also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's go into the video. So currently, this coin is trading around 80 cents here, and in this video, I will be talking about why it has way more potential. I will be going into the fundamental worth of it, what they're currently doing, and why they are so special. So right away, going to say this to you guys. This is of course a deflationary coin, and that is right away what is making me, why it is making for me, and this is right away the reason why I do think it's a very interesting project. So you can see it also in the price section. They're going up steadily. They got launched here approximately on the 8th of April. It's just looking around the corner. Also, if you look to trading view, we have the chart over here. Of course, is not a lot of information about it because it just recently got launched here. So, of course, still a lot of things to discuss here. But the charts, we are not currently seeing very interesting things over there. But we are going to look at the fundamental worth of it, because if you want to be buying these projects early, you want to be looking, are the fundamentals really worth it? Are the fundamentals going to give me a signal to buy into it or stay away from it? So let me right away discuss the first thing here. So, guys, also what currently is ongoing here for BasketCoin is that they are having a Thunder Week. In this during this week here, they will be rolling out a lot of news about the events, what they are going to do, the special events that they're going to do, the future plans, and yeah, they will be all announced here on CoinMarketCap. And also, if you don't find it over here, you definitely have to check out their Twitter. It's also, I will be putting it also in the description here. You can be finding their Twitter as well if you want to be seeing what they're going to do regarding to the news that are going to release. But definitely keep your eyes out on it, and I do think it will be also having a lot of influence on the price action this Thunder Week, because of course there's a lot of new news coming out here, and probably this news is very good because yeah, of course they're going to roll out what they're going to do here in the coming years, and it's of course very exciting and very important as well. There will be also way more announcements here on CoinMarketCap, and of course CoinMarketCap is definitely a very exciting site which you can use. Also, if you want to be finding some other projects, if you want to be seeing what they're doing, you can see it here on CoinMarketCap. But they told me also that they're going to even roll out more news on CoinMarketCap, so definitely keep your eyes out on it, because yeah, they will be of course yeah, announcing what they're going to do here with their future plans and events here. So without further ado, let's go into the project of BasketCoin, what it is exactly, and why I do think it's such a special project. So guys, first of all, you can already hear it in the name, BasketCoin. You can see it over here. They are having a basket of 7 cryptocurrencies. And these 7 cryptocurrencies are utilized to create profit on platforms like Crypto.com, Swissborg, and YF-DAI. So they are all going to gain profits on these platforms, and with these profits, they're going to buy back and burn these basket coins. And I also told you before here, this is a deflationary token, and that is of course also very exciting. So to clarify up, what is the basket that they are currently holding here? The funds raised during the sale have been used to purchase 7 cryptocurrencies in order to fill the basket. So the currencies that are bought here, as you can see here, 25% Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum, 10% Polkadot, 10% Smart Key. That's also very exciting what they're doing with Smart Key, by the way. Also some Euro Finance, YF-DAI Finance. Besides that, also USD Coin for 10%, and also 10% BasketCoin. But guys, to talk about Smart Key, they also especially partnered up with Smart Key. I saw here on a Twitter post, if I say correctly. Yeah, you can see over here, BasketCoin purchased 850 Smart Key, and that is pretty exciting because yeah, I think Smart Key is first of all a pretty good project. You can see it also over here, sitting over here. First of all, I think this is also a very good project, Smart Key, and I definitely think it's a good addition for yeah, the BasketCoin to add it to our portfolio as well. So I can't wait to see how it will be ending. Of course, I will be not going into depth of this coin because in the end of the day, we are here to talk about BasketCoin and not about Smart Key. But it's also definitely an exciting project. If you want me to maybe make a video about that one as well, make sure to drop it in the comments right away here. But this is definitely very exciting. Besides that, what you can see over here is basically if you are buying BasketCoin, you're also buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Smart Key. So you're basically already, if you're buying into BasketCoin, diversifying your portfolio, right? So of course, if Bitcoin is doing well here, they are making more profits, and they can be burning more BasketCoin, but of course will be, in the end of the day, will be only helping the deflationary process. And of course, you may be wondering, how can they be burning these coins? How can they do it? I will be going into it in a second, because that is of course a different part of the video. I first want to be talking about this here. Besides that, for now on, the team puts all the crypto into profit-generating platforms, but everything is fully 100% transparent. It's a legal company, by the way. Also, it is currently registered in Dubai, and they are already working on solutions how to autonomize this process 100%, so they can eliminate the human working factor in this process. And also, a very important thing here to clarify something up here about the tokenomics here is that 0% of the pre-sale what was ongoing with BasketCoin was going to the BasketCoin team here. So 100% of the raised funds here was, of course, put in profit generating platforms like crypto.com, and they are using these profit generating platforms to buy back into BasketCoin and to burn the tokens, because that is the first thing, what is of course very important for the team here. They want to be burning more tokens, they want to be staying a deflationary coin. So that is of course also very exciting that literally 0% of the pre-sale went to the team here, and you don't see it a lot with these coins. And that is also a reason why I do think, the team is very dedicated to make this a very good project. So I already love that part about it. However, the BasketCoin team is not getting anything with the pre-sale. The BasketCoin team is getting something from the monthly coins that are getting unlocked here. So monthly, every single month, there will be some coins getting released here, going to the team as well here. But for the first 3 months, they will be not sending it to the team, but to the staking platform. So that's, of course, very nice here. And also a thing that you have to know here, they are getting locked interest swap locks here. So that's, of course, beautiful to know. So let's go further into the side. Let's see what they are thinking about the deflation. And, of course, the deflation is, in my opinion, very important to see what it is exactly doing here. And you can see with the deflation on the side, of course, I will be also putting a link to the site, because I think the site is very nice, to be honest. And you can see also a lot of information about the coin, what they're currently doing. So they're saying extreme deflation. You can see here already a scheme, the total supply here and the value of the coin has to be going up, because of course they're going to only become less and less available BasketCoin. So the final supply of Basket will only reach 2.1 million. So that's of course already not a lot here in my opinion, only 2.1 million. That's very exciting. So that's of course the final supply, but at the launch is 21 million, so that's pretty exciting. So in order to achieve the deflation, the initial supply of Basket tokens has to be set at 21 million, and the final supply will be 10% of that value, so 2.1 million. So they get launched with 21 million, and in the end of everything, it has to be 2.1 million. Very exciting and very ambitious, of course. But how are they going to reach this process? How are they going to reach their goals? Because yes, this is of course a very beautiful goal, but how are you going to reach it? So first of all, they're going to burn a certain amount of the available tokens. And that's of course already a thing like I told you guys many times before, like cryptocurrencies, BNB. I like once these big coins are, these big cap coins, and also this coin over here, burning tokens, because there's less available. And of course, it will help you if you're just a pure good holder of it. And also, buybacks of tokens and then burning them by the team. So, like I told you before, they're going to use all these platforms to these profit-generating platforms to gain more interest, like what you are doing with the basket. So you're investing in a coin, and they are going to invest your initial to send it to profit-generating platforms like crypto.com, like YF-DAI, to Swissborg as well, and they're getting approximately 20% APR on Swissborg, on crypto.com 3 to 12%. So with that profit generating strategy, they're going to buy back into BasketCoin and burn these tokens. So that is an absolutely very exciting idea in my opinion. Also, the removal of tokens from circulating through stake. So that's also very exciting. So also to look at the innovation of the coin, to look at the innovation of the token, you can see, I mean, the reason why I like it, there are here 4 parts of them, and of course I don't like exactly everything here, but of course the basket is already a very exciting thing here. You're investing in BasketCoin, but also in the meantime you're investing in different currencies. So this currency is once again backed by other currencies because they're investing in it, so that's very exciting. Also, the buybacks and burning, like I told you before, with the profits they're making, with the initial that you are investing, they're going to buy back and, of course, burn the tokens. So that's, of course, very exciting. And, of course, it is just a deflationary token. I mean, you can be owning your fiat. You can be owning your fiat, but it's, of course, inflationary. And you're only there's only more and more coming in circulation. Why, your €1 or your $1 is only getting less and less worth every single year here. Besides that, that is the reason why I already like deflationary coins, because you are getting rewarded to hold it longer. So that's very exciting. Also, besides that, you can see it's a governance token, and I've been telling this a lot on the live streams, guys. I like governance tokens because I think these are very good, because usually the buyers of the project, they want to be seeing the project succeed. So people that are buying into it and people that are holding this coin have also some influence on what they are going to do with their roadmap. So it's also very good here. Besides that, they're also going to have a staking platform where you can connect your private wallet and lock at least 5,000 basket tokens for special staking rewards. So that's of course also very exciting. Besides that, of course, deflationary token. Already talked about it. Unique NFT tokens, the tokenomics as well here. And additional DEX liquidity. So DEX is also a thing that they are willing to get launched as well here. So that's also, of course, very exciting. And guys, and here is also a very exciting part here. I mean, I like the development and, of course, the effort that the team is currently putting in it. And they're also going to get their own staking platform version 2.0 launching in May. Of course, once you are watching this video, this is also in May. So hopefully it's already around. I mean, I don't know exactly where it will be. But it is currently still in the testing phase, and hopefully we're going to see it playing out anytime soon here. But yeah, you can connect your private wallet like you can see over here with MetaMask. You at least have to hold 5,000 basket. Of course, currently it's still pretty cheap here. I do think maybe if this video is live, it will be already sitting way higher, maybe around the $2 or $3. I think this really has a lot of potential, so make sure to keep your eyes on it. Maybe it's still sitting at 80 cents, maybe it's sitting at 60 cents. I never know, but at least I can already tell you I bought personally into it. Of course, you don't have to buy into it, but I mean, I really like the project here. So that's the reason why I'm buying into it. But yeah, besides that, they're also on Uniswap for the people that are still wondering, how can I buy this coin here? You can see set up the slippers to 2 to 5%. That's very important. But yeah, you can see as well, if you go to CoinMarketCap, you can see you can be buying it on Uniswap. So that's also very exciting. And besides that, you also have a very cool roadmap for them. You can see here all the plans that they have been working on, all the things that they were doing here. But it's also very cool to see, and you can see what they're currently, of course, are still planning to do here. Like I told you before, with the CEX exchange that they're willing to get listed on, implementation of some NFT tokens, because yes, NFTs, guys, are still so small, and especially with such a deflationary coin and with a BasketCoin, I think it's a very good, interesting point here. Also, launching on the LP platform, they already applied to CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. You can already find them over there. So yeah, they're really becoming a very cool project. And like I told you earlier as well in the stream here, they are a legitimate and fully transparent company based in Dubai. So that's, of course, very exciting. So I can't wait to see what we can do here. And also, guys, if you're wondering, what is the team who's currently working on this project, you can find it everywhere over here. You can see here over here who's currently working on the project, and you can, of course, it's completely transparent. You can search it up here, and you can see what I saw at least is that there's a team working on this project with a lot of experience in the cryptocurrency space, a lot of experience in the CTO. There's also a lot of experience in implementation of the projects, of bigger projects. And also the CTO is very exciting. I mean, he also have a lot of experience, and I do think it's really a project that can be succeeding. And you can see already the media, what they are already working together with, and where you can be finding them, and of course all kinds of articles. They're also working on new partners, and like I told you earlier as well in the stream here, they partnered up as well with SmartKey. So there's way more things to come here. So here you can also see the frequently asked questions, and I think this is also very exciting what you can see here. And you see also up here, when is the 2% fee charged? Because guys, you have to know, there's a 2% fee charge for every transaction. So what is happening with this 2% fee that you're paying as well? First of all, 50% of that fee, so approximately 1%, will be burned forever, so it's gone. And of course, that will be boosting the deflationary use case. Besides that, the other 50% will be distributed to the staking platform. But in the end of the day, of course, is going 50% once again, 1% of each transaction to the staking platform, and the other 1% is getting burned. So that's, of course, very exciting what you can see here. And here you also can see how they will be decreasing it, but we already went over that. They're going to invest their money into profit-making platforms, and they will be buying back into Basket, and of course that will be with the Basket they buy back into, they will be just burning it. So that's of course very exciting. Yeah, I mean, and here you can see also, will the maximum supply of BasketCoin ever change? And they say right away, no, the maximum supply of the BasketCoin in circulation will be never increased, and new Basket tokens will not appear on the market. So guys, this was the quick video that I was willing to make here. Hopefully you learned, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and make sure to check out also their socials. You can be finding it in the description as well here, because it is a very important and very interesting project. So guys, thank you so much for watching to this video. Thank you so much for tuning in once again here. Hopefully you benefited from it, and I will be checking you guys later in the next video here on the channel. Maybe tomorrow another stream here, I don't know, but definitely Guys, make sure to keep your eyes on the channel. Can't wait to see you guys once again back here. And make sure to peace out. Goodbye.